At the moment I am in my room in Port Elizabeth, and today the plan is to go and change the rear tire because it's almost done, it's consumed. So yesterday I went to fetch for some shops. I found one. I wanted to have the same brand, the Michelin Anarchy Wild, because I found the tire to be very, very good. Unfortunately, they don't have it in my size, so I have to get an alternative. They have Dunlop Mission Trail, I think, and Continental TKC80. So I think I will be doing using the first one, the Dunlop. Let's see how it goes. It rained yesterday, so the streets are still wet, but it's not raining, so I do better start. Okay, later. So here I am at Best Drive Continental. As I said, these guys don't stock just Continental, but also they stock Michelin and Dunlop. So as already mentioned, they don't have the Michelin Anarchy Wild in stock. So the options was between the Dunlop and Continental TKC80, and there was another model, I think it was also the Dunlop, but it had a very aggressive look. So it's a 50-50 tire apparently. I didn't do any research about it, but I don't think it's I don't think I would have liked to have that to ride on the road. I'm not sure. So I know that this tire that I'm installing is good. It's kind of heavy, it has stiff sidewalls. It's also quite expensive. I think it's the most expensive they have. So for me, it's not a matter of the price, but I mean of quality and of like confidence on the road. I don't ride off-road all the time, so I think I should have a tire that also behaves good on the road. As you can see, it well, maybe it's cloudy. It was also rainy, so there's some patches of water, so it might be raining the following day. So I don't want to have a tire which is not suitable under rainy conditions. So yeah, at the moment they are installing the tire, and I think it should be done very soon.